On this episode of Marty's Motorized Mayhem, I bring you scenes from Luskville Dragway of the motorcycles, Sunday, June 19th, 2011. Sit back and enjoy.
This is a fast run against the slingshots. Because there's a space in their wheels, and if it rolls in that, junior dragsters, I need you in the lead, guys. Your dragsters and ready to run. Here comes the 940. He's already caught him. He takes the wins. That's Peter. All right, win. Red light, so he will be out of elimination. So now remember, only the winners come back in the Superbike shootout, and we have a nice. Look at this, folks. Will he go 890? Wow. He gets out of it, though. He's into elimination, so he knows he's got to take his foot out of it. All right, so... My run will go to the low EE bike, and I got to believe it'll be between this bike and that bike. In the lane. And Peter, we are on quarter mile. 940 to an 890. It's a rematch. Out of the hole like you would not believe. Dustin trying to catch him. Wow. D'Souza breaks out. Dustin wins the rematch. Get her up, get her up, get her up, get her up, get her up. Nice try. I need Kyle Jessup and Chris Dragway in the lanes now. We want to wrap this puppy up. We have fun.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more adventures.